Assalamu alaikum. My name is Isa and I am in Physics Chemistry class level 3. And my topic is about how to calculate molar mass of compounds. The benefit of calculating molar mass of compound helps you to determine the empirical formula, percent composition and molecular formula. And let's start out with defining molar mass. Well, molar mass is the mass in grams of 1 mole of a substance. Okay, let's show you the units of the molar mass. Okay, the units of molar mass goes like this. So you put out the number of the molar mass first, the molar mass, then grams per mole. That indicates how many grams per mole. Per mole. Okay. Okay. Now let's help you or teach you how to find the molar mass of a specific element. So pick any element from group 1 to 18 in the periodic table, and let's pick, for example, any element. Okay, let's try iron, which is Fe. Let's try figure out the mass, which is 55.845, and you have to put the units down. So 55.845 grams per mole. Nice. Okay. But guess what? Now let's go into deeper and the equation, which requires little more work. Let's show you an example of a diatomic molecule which have subscripts in it. It's not hard, but it's got one more extra step. Okay. Bromine 2. This is the subscript. This represents the mass of moles. How many? So you multiply by the molar mass of the mass of the moles. So mass of mole 2 times the molar mass of bromine. Okay, find the molar mass of bromine. 79.9 times 79.904. Okay, with the example which is 159.808, and as we usual, you have to mention the units. Okay, now how I showed you an element or a molecule. Let's show you a compound. Okay, in the compound you have to in order to not lose track of your work, you have to plan your work first. So let's get an example: carbon 12, H22, and oxygen 11. Okay, I see the compound. Okay, so plan your work: C12, H22, and oxygen 11. You multiply by each one by its molar mass. So carbon 12, what is the molar mass of carbon? You can see is 12. Molar mass of hydrogen is 1, and molar mass of oxygen, which is 16. So 12 times 12 is 144, and 22 times 1, which is obviously is 22, and 11 times 16, which is 176. So now you add them all each other. Okay, 144 plus 22 plus 176 in order to get the total molar mass of this compound. Okay, so it's 342 grams per mole. Okay, now let's show you other case of how to find molar mass. This is the following question, the same, but requires one more extra step than this one. It's not hard, it's as simple as this one. So the following question requires one more extra step, as I said, Mg3PO42. Okay, don't get frightened by the brackets. Okay, if you see a bracket, there you have to get subscript here, which is 2 in this case. So you multiply the subscript outside the bracket by the compound inside. So let's do this together. P times 2, and oxygen 4 times 2. So it becomes P 2 and oxygen 8. Okay, let's substitute. It become P2O8. Okay, now let's do the steps that we did last question. So Mg 3 times its molar mass, phosphorus 2 times molar mass, and oxygen 8 times molar mass. What's the magnesium? What is its molar mass? 24. Molar mass of phosphorus is 31, and oxygen is 16. We add them all each other up, and 3 times 24 is 72, is 2 times 31, which is 62, and 8 times 16 is 176, 128. And you add them all each other up, which gives you a total of 262. And of course you have to describe the units. So 262 grams per mole. And I guess this is it. And I hope you actually learn something from my lecture. And thank you very much.